Hi, welcome. In this video, I will explain the calculation of DC bus capacitor of an inverter. In the end of the video, I will give you the bonus tips to implement it practically. Here we can see the diagram of the inverter. We're gonna calculate the DC capacitor value. Before calculating the DC capacitor value, we will see the importance of the DC bus capacitor. It suppresses the ripple in DC link voltage. It supplies the load when the source is reduced. When the source is reduced, it supplies the stored energy to the load. It will store the surplus power. It also acts like a regulator and stabilizer between the load and the source. The energy stored in the capacitor can fix the voltage up to certain time. Let's go to next slide. Here I mentioned the specification of the inverter. Power rating of the inverter is 100 kilovolt ampere. Switching frequency of the inverter is 10 kilohertz. DC voltage is 800 volts and grid frequency is 50 hertz. To design the DC bus capacitor or DC link capacitor, we no need this switching frequency. Here is the formula to calculate the DC bus capacitor. CDC equal to power rated upon 4 times of grid frequency times DC voltage square minus DC voltage minus ripple voltage whole square. Let's substitute the values in the above equation. If you observe here, the rated power is divided by 3 because it is the three-phase source, so in that case we have to divide by 3. After substituting here, we get the DC bus capacitor value, which is 2670 microfarad. So here is the bonus tip for practical implementation. To design a good inverter, we have to choose the low ESR capacitor with low tolerance. Here is the another bonus point that we have to design a capacitor bank with the combination of series and parallel connections. In the capacitor bank, we use a bleeder resistor in parallel with the series capacitor. Here this bleeder resistor value should be higher because this bleeder resistor will discharge the capacitor when the system turn off. In my circuitry, I prefer 10 kilo ohm resistor. Here I will show the example how to make the capacitor bank with the series and parallel connection. It is quite simple. Here we attach the resistor in parallel. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.